What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode. So today we're gonna be piecing this car back together. All right, so that's what's on the agenda for today.
Condo by the shore, I'm thinking of like shorty, you is cool, but now you uptight. Now you just so different when you was nice. Shorty, you is cool, but now you uptight.
You gonna mess up? If you guys didn't know, this here is an aftermarket eBay LED taillights. That's the reason why they're these super awesome wiring just like that instead of using the OEM plug.
Everybody wanna get a piece of the pie. We used to be close, now we not. You started fucking with these hoes. You started stacking on that guala. You had no money, ain't know what to do, man. I can hit you, but I won't even try. I said, my brother, you're so uptight. Someone I can trust, right? You started switching ways. Can't front like it's okay. We ain't on the same page. Yeah, girl, I used to love you, but now you made it hard to trust you. Now I'm at the function, tired of your function. Got a glass in my hand, screaming fuck you. Shorty, you so uptight. You is someone I can trust, right?
Alright guys, so the car is pretty much put back together. The only thing that's not on are the headlights. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what it's looking like so far. that's gonna be it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for all the love on the last couple of videos painting the Z, but it's finally being put back together. So all we have to do now is cut and buff, so that's probably gonna be in the next video. So stay tuned for that, but I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.